Hello everyone. I'm happy to have a chance to present you today the story of ING Business Digital Transformation, which is the story of exactly 15 years still going journey. I'm not so happy anymore that I cannot be with you in person in Prague, but life is life. So why I will be talking about this? Because I represent Center of ING Bank Poland, responsible for developing web and mobile platform ING Business. ING Business is offered for all type of business clients, SME, mid-corp, and wholesale banking. Working within the ING group, we are all guided by clear principles common to all of us. We are driven in our everyday life to empowering people to stay ahead in life and a business. Working on digital solution for our customers, we are driven by idea to provide them an experience which is personal, easy, smart, and an idea to make banking frictionless for them. But these are the mottos, this is the passwords. Let me explain you in a practice what it meant in the previous years of ING business evolution, and later on what it means now. The story of ING Business began in 2007 with the launch of the transaction platform with core cash management functions. Over the years, the first version of the platform has been extended to include all products and services offered to the bank's business customers, such as loans, financial markets, trade finance, and many more. It was a complete corporate banking platform acting as a one single access point to all products and functions supporting self-service, such as advanced proxy management module, electronic signing of agreements, and automated applying for new products. It is also a platform which enables access to non-banking, or maybe let's better say beyond banking services like leasing or factoring. The next huge step in ING business evolution was redesigning this platform to be first corporate banking platform working as an omni-channel one. We launched new version in a responsive web design approach to be used by business clients in all available for them touchpoints, web, mobile, and even smartwatches. And in effect of this transformation, we covered every banking services in a modern design. ING Business was payment channel extended by product offer and focus on self-service on customer side and totally automated processes from the bank perspective. And mentioned approach led us to the moment in time that above all, the satisfaction of our business customers were constantly growing. But also external professional bodies appreciated our way of transformation. Let me mention two of them. Best Digital Bank Award from 2019, recognized by Global Finance magazine, and of course, SME Banking companies in the CEE region. But what effect in numbers bring us for years this approach? When we meet today, ING Business is used by more than 120,000 customers and more than 200,000 users, which are generating such huge number of payments and requests per year. But this was the story of ING Business transformation so far. But today, we are still believing in exactly the same principles as before. But today, guided by the same idea of creating customer experience which is personal, smart, and easy, we are still doing our thing. But today, doing our thing adequately to current business needs. And to being a step ahead in today's ING business transformation, we help ourselves by typical pyramid of needs. We believe that creating digital solution for business clients, we should no longer focus on basic approach. Know your customer, know your user, and deliver them what they need. We are trying to find out what are the advanced needs. Clarity maybe, efficiency, or consistency of a platform. So transforming ING business, we are looking now at more advanced questions. And based on our knowledge about our users, we are trying to answer them. And not only these basic questions like, is the platform safe? Do I need to use this function? Can I do it? But we are having in mind answering the questions like, is it fast to use? Will it annoy me? Do I prefer it? Or does it let me be me? And based on mentioned way of understanding our customer needs and expectation about digital experience and banking products, we go to digital transformation concentrated around 3 pillars. First, which is for us for ages, is a client-centric. But what we can only extend right now to this approach is being more and more client-centric based on current needs. And our business users are getting closer and closer now to habits of user of retail platforms. And what we need to do is to follow these expectations by delivering faster solutions, solutions which are more accessible and following our customers in their daily business life. A good example, I think, of this approach is continuous expansion of our mobile app. Because we are transforming our mobile channel for business customers right now by providing them products and functions that go beyond typical applications, which we are used to get in this segment so far, such as order review or transaction confirmation. And we implemented cards functions and e-commerce function like Blick or push confirmation of e-commerce transaction this year. We were the first bank in business banking segment, who implemented such functions. So this is the first pillar, client-centric, which is obvious. The second pillar is a tech-savvy approach. We are now during the second huge rebuilding of ING business in history. We are adjusting digital experience to current habits of our clients by redesigning products and functions available in ING business. But what we are specifically concentrating right now also is the huge technological change. We are remodeling our architecture from monolith to microservices idea. What it gives to us and what it gives to our customers. It gives us a chance to rebuild ING business in a more effective and faster way. So it will give us the chance that the new platform should be easy to further development, because we are already getting used to the fact that we will have to change the digital experience of our customers more and more quickly in nowadays, which is the quickly changing business world. So this was the second pillar, tech-savvy approach. And the third pillar, and which is definitely new one, is creating digital experience for our customers in inclusive way. Why we think that inclusiveness is so necessary approach nowadays? Because many research shows that our belief in advanced tech skills of our societies is exaggerated. One of such research made by Nielsen Norman Group gives us a very concrete conclusion. Even in a highly developed countries, only 5% of the population has very high computer abilities. The same studies shows us also that more than 40% of people use one or more settings in their phones to adjust their phones to their possibilities. The most often used functions are adjusting text size and switch on the dark mode, but also zoom or bold the text are one of the mainly used. And how we use as ING business this knowledge in our daily working with the platform and their evolution. Transforming our digital platform, we are preparing new modules and rebuilding the existing one by following the Web Content Accessibility Guidelines. It gives us a chance to communicate critical information for our users in digitally available way. We build and rebuild ING business flows based on the principles such as compatibility, functionality, and intelligibility. And thinking about all possible impediments in using digital platform, we are concentrating right now on the two perspectives. First one is a technical. So writing the code, building the content, and way of working each functions. And the second perspective is user experience typically. So thinking about all these users who need to use only keyboard, not a mouse, who want to know what is on the screen if they cannot see it, adjust settings to better understand the content on the screen, etc., etc. What I present you here is some screens of our newly added module to ING Business, which is called Product Shop. This is one of the newest functions implemented from the scratch based on the principles of accessibility. We can present in this module standard product offer and also personalized offers dedicated to each client or temporary promotions, etc., etc. But this is only one of the elements. On January this year, we implemented totally new login page to ING Business, which is simplified based on the same rules of accessibility, but still very well secured. We also rebuilding our mobile app, and we also based on the same rules of accessibility and inclusive approach. And we are on the process of rebuilding all forms in a system, for example, the transfer form. We are definitely on the beginning of this journey, but definitely also we will continue this approach to build for our user the best experience independently on their habits, their skills, or their general availability to the tech environment. Because for us, the current goal of the banking transformation is, especially in the digital platform area, is to create product which provide relevant experience to users. So thank you for your attention and enjoy the rest of the conference.